Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to disable photo tagging on X account. On top left you see profile picture or image, so click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see setting and support, and in setting and support you see setting and privacy, so click on it. So we are going to disable photo tagging and we are going to turn off photo tagging feature, so no one can tag us in any photo. So we are in setting and then you see privacy and safety, so click on it and then you see audience and tagging, so click on it. Now you see photo tagging, anyone can tag you, so click on it. Now you see pop-up, you see three options. Anyone can tag you, only people you follow can tag you, or off. So we are going to turn off this feature. So now no one can tag us in any photo on X account. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.